Hello YouTube viewers, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Kotlin for Beginners. In this video we will learn about null safety in Kotlin. Let's open IntelliJ IDEA and use the same Hello World project we were using in the previous video. Double click on IntelliJ IDEA icon and open the IDE. By default, IntelliJ opens the last project you were working on. As you can see, we were working on Hello World project in the previous video, so it's opening that project. Before we can do some coding, let's do some cleanup and get rid of the previous code. Variables in Kotlin cannot be assigned null. If you need a variable that can be null, declare it nullable by adding question mark at the end of its type. Let's look at some examples. Let's declare a variable which cannot be null. Var cannot be null of type string and assign this value to it. This cannot be null. If we try to assign null value to it, we'll get a compilation error. Cannot be null equals null. As you can see, there is a red squiggly underneath null, and if you hover over it, you can see the actual error as well. Let's declare a variable which can be null. So var can be null of type string, question mark at the end. Let's assign a null value to it. Can be null equals null. As you can see, there is no red squiggly underneath, so that means we can assign the null value to it. A variable with inferring type cannot be null. For example, if we declare a variable of inferring type, var inferring type equals 0, if we try to assign a null value to it, we'll get a compilation error. As you can see, there is a red squiggly underneath null, and if you hover over it, you can see the actual error as well. That's all for this video. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please leave them below. Click that like button. Likes are always appreciated. Please subscribe to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.